Hey there, welcome back to iOS YouTube channel, and in this video I have installed something crazy on my Redmi Note 5 Pro. So what is it? We'll see. Let's get started. So this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro and it has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and I have installed HyperOS 3 based on Android 14 on it. As you can see, the setup steps are limited as it is based on Chinese version of HyperOS, and the setup is done, so let's see how it looks on the home screen. Let me show you the about page of this ROM. As you can see, it shows all the details of the device and the ROM. And the Easter egg has been replaced with Android 16 Easter egg, as most of the HyperOS 3 versions are based on Android 16. The ROM may feel a little bit stuttery after the installation. Give it 4 to 5 hours and it will settle down. The ROM has all the customization features of HyperOS 3 as well as all the features. The ROM has literally zero bugs, and fingerprint and face unlock also works fine. Let me set up the fingerprint and then I will show you the speed of it. As you can see, it unlocks in an instant. It is very fast and reliable. Now let's talk about the battery backup. It drains faster in the few hours of the installation, but after it settles, it is fine. All the display settings also works fine, for example dark mode and reading mode as well. Now let me show you how smooth the QoS and notification panels are even with blur enabled. It lags for a few times in the starting, but after it settles down, it is perfectly fine. This ROM also has Leica camera built in, which has its own filters and takes great pictures. As you can see the details in the picture that I just captured. Overall, the ROM is very stable and performs very well. It also has Xiaomi box installed and you can pass Play integrity using that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this.